All right, guys. Well, we got one open. About to remove the inner part out. Got these guys, whatever. Then go grab a new lens and then switch it over. I broke these. Pretty upset about it, but I guess there's pretty much nothing you can do. The video that I watched, the guy broke his too. Not all of them though, he only broke one. So then I tried on the other headlight, which is currently baking, to loosen the nuts on the backside because I didn't know about those. So then I tried to take the nuts off on the other one, and I'm pretty sure it just did this, but from the other side. So I couldn't get them to come off. It was just spinning, and the nut actually wasn't coming off the stud. So it is what it is, I guess. So now I don't think I'm gonna dig all of the old glue out like I was before. And I'm going to just put some in that groove so I know that it's sitting where it's supposed to sit, or at least where the other one did. So it'll be lined up with all of this stuff, and then it'll be sealed up pretty good. Still got all the tabs. I only broke one tab right here on the corner. The rest are still all intact, so those snaps will hold it in place, and I think it'll be fine. It'll be okay. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna get this other one switched over, and then I don't have the glue. I need to buy that. So I'll probably run to the store, and hopefully I can find some that's good enough, and then try to put at least one together tonight. That would be nice. Shout out to my boy Jared with the Red C6 that I did the build breakdown on. He let me borrow this and some clamps as well to hold it together while the glue dries. So should turn out pretty decent on that. Yeah, let me get cracking on this thing and I'll give it to y'all in a second. All right, driver's side headlight is off. As you can see, didn't have the same outcome as this one. Now, I wish I could, lie and be like, yeah, I developed this new technique and I figured out what to do. No, I didn't. I don't know why this side came off and the other side just broke. I don't know. But the actual lens, the black insert, so these didn't break, but another piece of it, the tabs on the bottom side, which I'll show you in a second, those broke. That one didn't. So you just got to be careful with this stuff, and it's really the luck of the draw. I mean, with as much money as you're saving doing this job, you really can't complain too much, so whatever. But I got them put together. Dang, that's pretty. I can't wait to put these on. But one thing I will say I'm not a fan of so far is that these lenses are a little bit off. I did get them from Amazon, so I mean China. But there's a gap down in between here. The insert doesn't meet the actual lens. And I don't like that. But it is what it is. Can't complain for what I paid. So I mean, it's gonna look a million times better. I mean, it already does, and it's still got this film on it. So I'm excited to see how they look. Unfortunately, it'll be a while until these get uncovered, but they're looking good. They're looking good. So we are going to make a store run and get some glue, and then we'll put one together, clamp it down, and then yeah, that will be that for now. So I'll get with you guys in a second when I got one glued together. All right, to the future owner of the Z06, I apologize. The which one is this? Driver's side might leak, bro. Not even gonna lie to you. But got her clamped up. It's about as good as it's gonna get with placement. I added this guy in there because his corner was definitely questionable. Gonna let that sit. I ended up dang near melting or breaking off almost all the tabs. But for some freaking reason, this whole entire job, man, has been destroy one and do good on the other one. So this one, on that one, I did 5-minute intervals in the oven like the guy said. Don't do that. Use a heat gun. Shout out to Jared. And shout out to my boy Stokes, bro, because he came in clutch with these gloves. Appreciate you. But as I was saying, I just did section by section. It took a good minute. Freaking sucked. It took a lot longer. But I got a lot more out on this one. So you can actually see the channel on this one for a pretty decent amount. I don't care about this. I just wanted at least the groove or part of the groove. And I pretty much got that all the way around. The other one is way worse than that. Like I did not get this much out. But at the same time, I'm not sure if one is not OE or if this job's been done already. But on the other one, it had black RTV in it already. This one had the gray. So I'm not sure which one is factory and which one is supposed to be, but I don't know, maybe that made a difference. I know that black stuff was not trying to come out, so it kind of makes me feel good about using it because it should seal up pretty good. But since I'm on a limited amount of clamps, and shout out to Jared for those and the heat gun, appreciate you. So we're gonna have to do one at a time, which is okay, it's fine. I'm about tired anyways. It's about almost like 9:30 and I got dinner going, so we will finish this up tomorrow. We'll undo that one and then clamp up. We'll glue and clamp up this one and then give it a full day to cure, and then we should be done. But yeah, to anybody that's thinking about doing this job, just buy them. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Between the work of trying to get all this crap out and putting the new lens in and not melting your tabs, dude, just buy them. It'll save you so much time and headache just taking the old ones out and putting the new ones in and just selling the old ones. Let somebody else refurbish them. There's got a method to this madness because this freaking sucks. But yeah, that's gonna end it for today. I'll probably do this video in parts because I'm sure it's kind of long now at this point. So I'll get in with you guys later. I'm gonna wipe this thing out, clean it out or whatever, and clean up my mess because I'm in my kitchen if you haven't noticed. So I need to clean all this crap up, and then we'll get back on it tomorrow. Catch y'all later.